In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install Ethernet drivers. Now, first what you want to do is find out which one you have. So search for Device Manager. In here, you want to open up the network adapters and you should be able to see your own right here. Now, probably you have something else than I do, but this is mine. Then what you want to do is just type the exact name into Google and add driver. And then you should be able to go straight to the website, the official website, and get the driver for yours. As you can see right here, this is mine. So just go there and download it. Now, the other thing you can do is you can find out which model your PC is, if it's from Asus, if it's from whatever. Just find out where it's from, and you can do that by coming here and searching for system information. Then what you want to do is you can find here, you can see mine is from Asus. And then what you want to do is you want to just go to Google and search for Asus Ethernet driver. And that can also help fix it if this one doesn't work. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.